Hey, Jamie, did you check the readings from the new infusion pump in room 4? I've noticed it's been fluctuating. It reminds me of the issue we had last week with the oxygen monitors, but this time, it's not just the flow rate that's inconsistent. The alarm system goes off sporadically, even though the dosage settings are correct.
Yeah, I did, Mihira. At first, I thought it was just like the problem we had with the BP monitors last month, those false high-pressure readings, but it seems different. Did you recalibrate it?
I did it twice. The weird thing is that the primary function works fine when you set the flow manually, but the moment it switches to automatic, that's when the issues start. It's not a programming error because the software update from last week should have covered that. The alert system shouldn't be this sensitive unless there's an internal wiring fault.
That's strange, Mihira. So, it's not the flow, not the dosage, and the settings are fine manually. Could it be a sensor misalignment?
Exactly. It's the internal sensor not picking up the correct flow when on auto. I think we'll need to get it serviced.
It is incredibly common to worry about the baby's nutrition when you cannot keep food down, but Mihira, I want to reassure you that your baby is very resilient. In most cases, morning sickness usually does not harm the baby at all, as they are very good at getting the nutrients they need from your body's existing stores at this early stage. To give you some perspective on the timeline, this condition usually peaks at around 9 to 12 weeks, which is exactly where you are now. The good news is that it typically subsides by the second trimester, so you should hopefully begin to feel much better in a few weeks. Now that you know this is a normal part of early pregnancy, do you have any other concerns or questions?